By 2026, artificial intelligence will no longer be just a tool. It'll be your boss, your coworker, and maybe even your competition. Scared? You should be, because what's coming next will completely change how we live, earn, and even think. But don't click away, because today, we'll uncover 5 shocking AI predictions for 2026 that experts say are almost guaranteed to happen. And trust me, number 5, it might just decide whether you stay rich, or get replaced. Let's begin. Prediction 1, AI will replace 40% of freelancers. By mid-2026, platforms like Upwork and Fiverr will be flooded with AI-generated services, from design to voiceovers. While people panic about losing jobs, smart creators will use AI as their assistant. The new winners, those who know how to automate faster than others. And hey, if your coworker never sleeps or asks for a coffee break, congrats, you just hired an AI. Prediction 2, AI-generated YouTubers will take over. You'll see faceless channels, just like this one, powered fully by AI. Scripts, voices, thumbnails, even faces generated by algorithms. Some of these virtual creators will have millions of subscribers, without ever existing in real life. And here's the twist, you won't even know which ones are real. Maybe, you're already watching one right now. Prediction 3, AI financial advisors will make you money, or lose it. By 2026, new AI trading bots will handle investments for ordinary users. Imagine an AI that studies 10,000 charts in a second and tells you exactly when to buy or sell. But here's the scary part, one wrong algorithm update and your entire savings could vanish in a blink. So while AI makes people rich, it'll also make a few very poor. Prediction 4, AI will become your personal teacher. Forget YouTube tutorials. By 2026, personalized AI tutors will analyze your learning habits, mood, and even sleep cycle. It'll know when you're distracted, and maybe even when you lie about doing your homework. So yeah, your AI teacher might be stricter than your real one. Prediction 5, AI will start predicting human behavior. This is where things get eerie. AI will use massive data from your phone, camera, and smart devices to predict what you'll buy, say, or even feel tomorrow. That's how companies will sell you products before you even realize you want them. By 2026, privacy won't just be gone, it'll be optional. So, what's the takeaway? AI isn't coming for your job, it's coming for your potential. Either you control it, or it controls you. The world is dividing into 2 groups, those who use AI to get rich, and those who get replaced by AI. So start learning, experiment, adapt. Because the clock to 2026 is already ticking. If you want to see what else might come true, watch my next video on The Simpsons predictions for 2025. Click the end screen now before the future gets there first.